Hello and welcome to this course. I'm Dr. Rashid, your guide in this adventure. I'm a lecturer, a speaker, and I love creating content on YouTube. In this course, we are diving into the world of video editing using Canva, a versatile, easy to use platform. Whether you are just starting out or you already have some experience in video editing, this course is designed for everyone. As we go through the lessons, we will explore Canva's features step by step. We will cover everything from setting up your Canva account and getting familiar with the interface to more advanced stuffs like adding animations, working with audio, adding text, adding colorations, recording, and collaborating with others. By the end of this course, you will not only understand how to use Canva for video editing, but also you have the skills to make your videos stand out. So let's jump into this adventure together, unlock